Dear students, we're going to see exercise number 3. In the exercise number 3, we're going to use two PCs that has to be connected with the router. So this concern exercise is said to be router configuration. So here we're going to use PC0, PC1 and router named as 1941 router. Okay. So just drag and drop the PCs. So PC0 we are dragging and dropping here, and PC1 we are dragging and dropping here, and these two PCs has to be connected to the router. So I am selecting the router. Router will be 1941 router. So that I am dragging and dropping in the top. So here we have to make the connection between the PCs and routers. So PC0 fast Ethernet 0 has to be connected with router 0 gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Same case PC1 fast Ethernet 0 has to be connected with router 0 gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Allot the IP address for PC0. So PC0 IP address we are allotting as 192.168.10.1, and here the default gateway we are allotting is 192.168.10.2. So these are the IP address we are allotting for PC0. PC0 192.168.10.1. Then default gateway will be 192.168.10.2. Same case for PC1 we have to allot the IP address. So PC1, click on desktop, go to the IP configuration, there allot the IP address 192.168.20.1. Then default gateway will be 192.168.20.2. So these are the IPs we are allotting for PC1 and PC2. Now go to the router configuration. We have to allot the IP address. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is connected with PC0. So that we have to allot the PC0 default gateway IP address here. PC0 default gateway IP address is 192.168.10.2. So that we allotted the IP address for gigabit Ethernet 0/0. When coming to 0/1, that is connected with PC1. PC1 default gateway IP address is 192.168.20.2. So that we are allotted the IP address for everywhere, so that you can able to see the entire network turns to green. Previously it was in red color. Now we will check whether our connection is proper or not. So click on PC1, go to the command prompt and just ping the first network IP address, mean by first PC0's IP address, that is 192.168.10.1. that is IP address for PC0. Please press enter so that you will receive the data from PC0. So you are receiving reply from 192.168.10.1 you are receiving now. So that is the proper output. Now we will transmit the packets. Click on the packet icon, add simple PDU icon in the top of your Cisco Packet Tracker. Click on that and click on PC0 and click on PC1. Then click on simulation and run the simulation so that you can see the packet will be transmitted from PC0 to the router, the router to the PC1. So again it will transmit back from PC1 to the router and router to PC0. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment the comment box. Thank you very much.